a 2-minute run. It's all about how fast he can go, how dangerous he can look without crashing, how much smoke he can make, how loud he can get. How mad I can get at him because I really hate when he chases me around. See that right there? His front tire got about 8-9 inches off the ground. You notice in the run, he'll get a lot more speed. He'll hang it right out on the edge. Now that rear tire, he's running at about 46 pounds of air. Usually they run it at like 38 pounds. So the more air, the harder it is, and the faster you can go. See that underhand grip? Now he's going to go back into some no-hand circles. Now really, watch that right foot. This is super, super hard to do. Watch these sit-down wheelies right here. Watch how tight he gets them. Look at that. He's spinning it right around on his own axis. Good thing his kids are behind the line there. California, where he did a series of videos for the county, the Cycle World. Check them out on YouTube. They're under the name of Hype. And the 7-part series. Definitely want to watch that. And if you go check Luke's fan page out, you can look at how far he is by now. Used to be his own superman to work on his bike, but that's the Luke Emmons athlete on Facebook. People still use Facebook? No? Check it out if you use it. Come on everybody, make some noise for Luke Emmons!